So guys, this is how we harvest rice. So but let's harvest. Iwa kamba teyakubompya mashini awe nimanyoweki. So ibara uro lyakula shani nimanyoweki tubompya be manyoweki vavini arechita arefula ifetifula vyapine esta vya harvest na pumiko mwa chapati na sepa chonsechi konzo kuna mkumona ewa sepa rero chwana kiri omwachi ero ni mumesh. As you can see leaf mesh. Look at this. This is what this is what so ife chora chess guys tupepekera pe mumenshi mwini omwaine tubomfye kufya menshi